but Kapotasana, but with variation. Now see, we take one leg here like this. So here, both knee will be one line. Now, if you can't, so you can take your left leg little forward. Okay, so it will look cross. See here, if left leg is forward, then it will be easy. But if left leg is backside, then it will be little difficult. Okay, so you can do which one is comfortable for you. Both knee in one line, it is little difficult, and one leg little forward, so it will look cross. So this is little easy. Okay, so now I show you. So right now I take right leg forward and little cross. I'm doing first easy one, then inhale, then exhale. Slowly how to go down. Put it down here. Then look on the mat. After that you can try to catch the ankle. So I show on her. Look here everyone. Yep. Then slowly inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, slowly take it down. Now try to catch your ankle if possible. And you have to stay there. Okay, try everyone, see you can catch your ankle and maintain balance. Okay, slowly relax them. Sit in side pose and there. Okay, try everyone, you can take your own time, slowly. And try to hold it. 5 breath. Look on the mat. Okay, do it. Okay, if you've done one side, you can change another side or pause the video and continue. Do it again. Okay, go down. Yeah, catch your ankle. Find the balance and stay there. And hold it as long as possible. You can also try and be careful to your lower back. Look on the mat. Sit in child pose. Okay, after doing you have to sit in child pose. You can also few seconds relax and we'll do one more. Okay. Now we'll do one more bending. Now see in this, first you have to sit on your heel. Okay, sit not like Vajrasana, sit on your heel. Then take your one leg back side. Now not cross, just behind your left hip. Then with the left hand, catch it here. Then slowly see, I will drop my elbow down. Then take the elbow up, rotate. Then after that with the right hand, catch the left leg. Then slowly take it straight if possible. Make it straight as much as possible. Look up and stay there, find the balance. Then slowly relax. Okay? So I show on her one more time. So what you have to do first you have to sit on the both heel, then take your left leg back and left knee will be straight, go back to the left hip, not cross. Then if you can't balance, support with the right hand on the block, then with the left hand catch the toe and rotate your shoulder. Then after that, if possible, you can use your both hand. Then you can hand straight, very nice. Okay, leg straight, hand straight, and find the balance as much as possible. Okay, you can stay there 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay. Then again, slowly sit in child pose. Sit down. You can also try, or you can sit in child pose. Then after that, we change the leg. Okay, slowly come up, change the leg, do it. So now left leg forward and left leg up. left and right leg will be back. Rotate the shoulder and slowly try to catch and maintain balance. In the end, if possible, both hands straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, inhale and exhale, sitting side pose. Get down. Stretch down and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now slowly come up. Now I show you one more, it will be twisting. See, first take your both heel wider, double than your shoulder, then put your left, with your left hand catch the right ankle, then with the right hand try to catch it here. Now see, hands straight, take it here, then slowly go down, go down, go down, and try to catch your ankle, then look up straight to the ceiling. Okay, see, and see how you can support. Take your both feet, double then your shoulder, then take your left hand to the right side. Now, see, now take the first body straight. Now I will press her left shoulder with my right knee. Then just press and slowly I will help to catch the ankle and stay there. Very nice. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale, change to the left side. All of you can take your own time. If I'm fast, you can pause the video and do your practice and stay there. Because I know this is very advanced, difficult to do in 1 minute or 2 minutes. It will take a long time. So you can pause the video and you can practice. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up here and slowly exhale. Now just relax your hand there.